you. I'm excited to share my thoughts today.
Okay, so good day to you, to the both of you. So let's start with something simple. So Mr. Charles, when you hear the word communication, what does it mean to you?
So, for me, communication means understanding. It is not just about how we speak, but for us to share our thoughts, feelings, and ideas. And like I said, it is not just about how we speak, but also how we listen and how we communicate with each other.
So I like what you've said, Mr. Charles, and it's not just about speaking. And Mr. Kyle Angeles, I have a question for you. So why do you think communication is important in our daily lives?
I believe communication is the key to every relationship, and it helps us to express what we feel and solve the problems and build trust.
Exactly. Communication helps us to grow closer to others and also to ourselves. You know, there are different types of communication. There are interpersonal, intrapersonal, small group, public, and mass communication.
Yes, interpersonal happens within ourselves. Let's say, for example, when we're thinking before we speak, or when we think when we're making a decision.
And interpersonal communication happens between two people, like what we're going right now, and it's personal and meaningful.
And that's right. And when it comes to small group, it's like working with your teammate or talking with them privately. And when in public, when we talk about public, it's talking to the audience. And lastly, mass communication, it's about the TV, radio, and social media connection.
All those forms of communication shows how powerful communication is. It connects people whenever they are.
And also, it helps us to understand different perspective. Good communication can create peace and understanding communication.
Very well said. And before we end this, I have a question for the both of you. Just one last question. So, what's the one thing about being a good communicator?
So, for me, it is learning to listen, and sometimes in order for us to understand the one that we're talking, sometimes it starts with silence, and gradually understanding them makes communication beautiful.
For me,
Pag nagsasolicit, huwag kasi Very well said. So, before we end, I have a last question for the both of you. So, what's one thing about being a good communicator?
So, for me, it's learning to understand. And sometimes, understanding someone starts with just a silent and gradually hearing them out so that we can understand.
and for me, being honest and respectful, and choose your words wisely, and we cannot hurt others.
That's a good answer, Mr. Angeles. And that's right. Good communication isn't just about connection. It's also about honesty and empathy. And thank you for being here, Mr. Charles and Mr. Kyle. So, for the viewers, remember, good communication is building strong relationship. And again, this is your host, Dwayne, and you're watching Let's Talk the Power of Communication. Thank you.